Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a new audio product from Micromax and they are the Airfunk One Pro. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will let you know how they perform. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the In by Micromax branding and the picture of the earphone. And here we have the model name Airfunk One Pro and they are the true wireless earbuds. At the back we have the features such as Qualcomm Bluetooth Audio SoC, Bluetooth 5.2, Qualcomm CVC 8.0, 32 hours of playback time, ENC support, 13mm driver, quad mic for HD calling, and you get the voice assistant support. The MRP of these earbuds is Rs 4,999. However, they are available to purchase for just Rs 2,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the charging case itself, and the first thing I can see is that there are some scratches on the case. And that is mainly due to the packaging, as there is no cushion or cover on the case. And also guys, here we have the earphones in the black variant, and apart from that, they are available in blue, white, red and yellow. We will look at the charging case and the earbuds in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the user guide with detailed info about the pairing and features. Then we have the Type-C charging cable, and here we have the extra ear tips of large and small size. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Airfunk One Pro are the budget true wireless stereo earphones. Looking at the case first, we have the glossy finish on the case, and as mentioned earlier, we already have some scratches on it, and this case will get scratched easily after a few days of usage. Now looking at the build quality and design, I find the design very good. The case is compact and well built, and I like the build quality. You can easily open the door of the case with one hand, and the hinge quality is also very good. In terms of the overview, we have the In logo in the front with an LED light. At the bottom we have the Type-C charging port, and here at the back we can see the battery capacity of the case, which is 470 mAh. Now let's look at the earbuds. So the earbuds are magnetically attached to the case, and we have the in-ear style earbuds. They are lightweight and feel well built. And again, we have this glossy finish on the earbuds as well. There are no physical buttons on these earbuds, and you get the touch sensitive panel. In terms of the technical details, you get the Bluetooth 5.2, 13mm driver and the quad mic setup in these earbuds. So overall in terms of design and quality, I like these new earbuds from Micromax. Now let's pair them with our phone and we will see how they perform. Pairing process is easy. Just take both the earbuds out of the case and they are ready to pair. And guys, as soon as you pair them with your phone, you get this Qualcomm aptX logo. And here we can see we have the Qualcomm aptX HD audio codec. Now let me first quickly show you the touch controls. So a single tap on the right earbud increases the volume, and a single tap on the left earbud decreases the volume. Double tap on either of the earbud, pause and play music. Triple tap on the right earbud takes you to the next song, and triple tap on the left earbud takes you back to the previous song. Long press on either of the earbuds for 2 seconds will enable Google Assistant or Siri. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. So guys, I have changed the ear tip to the large size, and with that I got a snug fit. So make sure to choose the right size ear tip for you, and this will not only give you a good fit but also better sound quality. Now in terms of the audio output, these earbuds are loud, yet you will not feel any distortion in the sound. The vocals are clear and the instrument separation is also pretty decent. You get good bass with them. It's not overwhelming, but again good enough for daily usage. I have listened to different genres of music, and overall, I'm happy with the performance, keeping in mind the price of these earbuds. Now talking about the performance more, I've also watched videos on YouTube and other OTT platforms, and there also I found the sound quality pretty good, and there were no lags in the audio. And during our lag test, we found the audio lag is under 150 milliseconds, which is also pretty decent. Now talking about the battery backup, with the case you can get approximately 30 hours of battery backup, and in one single charge you can get 6 to 7 hours of playback time, which is also very good. And lastly about the mic performance, so as you know already, we have a quad mic setup in these earphones, which means 2 mics in each earbud, and during our testing we found the mic performance also very good, and you can definitely use them for voice and video calls. So overall Micromax Airfunk One Pro offers a good design and build quality. The audio output is decent, and for casual listening to music and watching movies, you'll find the performance very good. Even though we have a 13mm driver, still the bass is not that deep, but it's not that bad as well. They are really comfortable and lightweight, and you can use them easily for long hours. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a budget true wireless earbuds with good design and quality for your daily usage, then definitely check out these newly launched earbuds from Micromax. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Airfunk One Pro earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any queries or questions about these earbuds, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.